Hey guys, Dan Carr here from shuttermuse.com. Today I want to show you guys a problem that I've discovered with WordPress. So this is a video particularly for all photographers who are using WordPress, and this is something I think we all need to know about. So let's get right to it. This is to do with copyright metadata. This is where the problem lies. So let's open up an image here, picture of the Northern Lights here in my hometown of Whistler, BC. So I've got this open in preview. Go to Inspector and show this. And if we go over here, we have artist Dan Carr, copyright 2012, Dan Carr, all rights reserved. We've got all the information. We've got EXIF, IPTC. We've got all the data about the photo. And this is really useful stuff to have. I would even say really important stuff to have baked into your image, even when you're sharing it on the internet, because I've had more than one instance where someone has contacted me after finding one of my photos on a website, not necessarily my own website because things get shared around. They found my image and they want to license it, so they needed to know who to contact. So there's lots of other reasons why this is really important, and I would encourage you to read the accompanying blog post that goes with this. And if you're watching on YouTube, that's linked in the description below. So let's just take this image. We're going to go over to WordPress, and we're going to go to add a new post. So let's call this image test. Upload this photo. Select the file, and here we go. So while it's doing that, I just want to draw your attention over to the right-hand side of the screen here where we have the sizing of the images. This is going to be important. So here's the photo uploaded now. If we click this drop-down box, we see we have thumbnail, medium, large, and full size. And full size here, 2200 pixels wide, that's the exact photo that I uploaded. And WordPress has created 3 other sizes of this image. Now, the large size will be the largest size that you can fit onto a post or page based on what your theme is. So these sizes will be different for everybody. Let's select large, insert into post, pop that in there. And then if we save that, I've actually already got this ready here. So let's take a look at the post. This is just on a blank test site, but here is the photo on the post as it would look. As you can see, it takes up the full width of the post. If I click the image, it's going to show me, by the default setting is to show me the original image. So this photo here is exactly as I uploaded it. If I was to right click and save image as, this photo would have all of my copyright and IPTC metadata baked into it. The problem is, we just go back a page to the posting. The problem is if I right click this one, 800 pixels wide, save image as, if I save this, I've already got this one saved actually, so I won't save it again. But if I were to save that one and open this image, now let's go to the inspector, you'll see everything is gone. This is all blank. There is no metadata left in this image. WordPress has stripped everything out. Now, to me, this was really surprising. I expect websites like Facebook to do that. I fully expect that. But there's no way we're ever going to get Facebook to change their ways. But WordPress is a very different company, and they're always pushing out updates and they're always improving things. And I really have to wonder why they're doing this, because it seems so needless. It seems like something that wouldn't be that complicated to do, to write the IPTC data and all of your copyright metadata into this newly created thumbnail and medium and large photos. So let's just go back into WordPress for a second. I'll show you guys how you can get around this problem to start with. If you come down to settings and then you go to media, let's open this up. This media settings panel here shows WordPress what size you want your thumbnail, medium, and large images to be created at. So this large size here is 99% of the time, this is going to define the width of an image that is the largest image you can fit on the post or page within your WordPress theme, so 800 pixels wide. Now, to get around this problem, what you would have to do is resize your image to 800 pixels wide, in my case, before I upload it to WordPress. And then when you do that, when you come to the actual posting of the image, so let's go back to posts, image test. Now, when you come to actually posting the image, if we were to go back up here, select this, instead of saying thumbnail, medium, large, and full size, if you had actually resized your full-sized image to 800 pixels wide before you uploaded it, it's only going to say thumbnail, medium, and full size. And if you click on full size, then that is the same image that you uploaded in the first place. So that has the metadata baked into it. So essentially, it's not the best solution because it means that you lack the ability like this for someone to click on a photo and open up a larger version to view it. But if you resize to 800 pixels wide beforehand, then you're going to maintain all of your IPTC and copyright metadata in the image. So, I think this is a really surprising thing for me just because it seems so needless. I'm really also surprised that I couldn't find a plugin that was able to circumvent this problem. It seems like something a WordPress developer could put together reasonably quickly, and it might just be that nobody has ever asked for this before. So if you guys think this is important, I would encourage you to leave a comment on the blog post. If we get enough people mentioning it, then perhaps a WordPress developer might take notice and build a plugin that's going to work for us to maintain all of the copyright data within our images for all the sizes. I mean, the way that I just showed you really only gets around it for full-sized images and the larger size. If you did want to have thumbnails and medium-sized ones and all this kind of stuff, then it definitely makes it a little trickier. And in particular, it would be worrying for me for these kind of full-screen WordPress themes that you see where you have images that are 1200 or 1500 pixels wide. If those are being created in that kind of size and all of the copyright data is being stripped from those images, then there's a lot that people could do with those images. And granted, just having IPTC data and copyright, all this stuff in there, even having watermarks doesn't stop a determined image thief from stealing and using your photo, but there's no reason that we should make life easier for them. It certainly helps to track down images that have been used if you have that kind of data. And it just seems like such a simple thing. WordPress is the kind of company that I think might listen to enough people, and it might be, might just be something we can get changed or at least a plugin created that can really help photographers out. So if you'd be interested in that, like I said, please leave a comment, and please also share this post and this video with your photography friends as well, because I think, like I said, a lot of people expect this kind of behavior from the social sites like Facebook, but I certainly wasn't expecting it when I was uploading images to WordPress. So I've got to think that I'm not the only person. In fact, I know I'm not the only person who was surprised by this because I talked to a few other people. So yeah, please share this with your friends, and perhaps we can make a difference and perhaps we can get this changed. Thanks for watching.